Look how fucking mean this thing's looking coming out of the dark. Come over here and tell me about your truck.
You're wasting film.
Tell me what we're doing.
You don't have the internet speed for you to be wasting video.
Look at internet speed. Tell me all about this thing. Do it. Do it. Do it. And action.
My name's Anthony. Today,
Hi, Anthony.
we're doing a little introduction. We've got several different sections of the truck we're about to upgrade. Hutch and I had discussed doing titanium all along in here as an upgrade to showcase his work and give this some engine bay jewelry. Fortunately, TiCON is going to be at PRI this year again and wanted a diesel that's small, so we're getting sponsored officially and get to go above and beyond what we had planned. So we're going to start in the engine bay. We'll be changing all the intake and intercooler plumbing to titanium, putting HD clamps in here and modifying the Y bridge, which is a pusher intakes component, titanium. If you really love your vehicle, buy a titanium. Women, diamonds. Vehicles, titanium.
I fucking love that. Alrighty, we had started tear down. We got the Y bridge taken off and got the HD clamp ferrule welded onto that. We got the turbo taken off and reinstalled and got the ferrule welded onto that as well. We got the old exhaust taken off. And we got a bunch of goodies from TiCON. Let's tear into it. All right, so TiCON was so kind enough to have sponsored the 57 Chevy Duramax swap, and it's gonna be at the PRI booth this year, so come check us out at PRI. Thank you so much, TiCON, for hooking us up with all these goodies. Let's get into it and see what we got going on. It looks like some exhaust components here, all a bunch of 4-inch stuff. Got some filler rod. We got some bar stock, so that's gonna be used for the exhaust tip. All the majority of the parts are in here. Got some titanium sheets, assemblies, mass flange, positions. Ooh, hardware. Very excited for that. Lots of pies. Hey, pizza pies. We got some bar stock. We got some titanium sheet. We're gonna be using this to remake the custom tip fill rod, lots of hardware, some transitions, a bunch of pies, all for the intake and exhaust, V-bands, V-band assemblies, quick release V-band clamps. We got some titanium HD ferrules that are going to be being used with the HD clamps. And one last thing, we got some goodies from TIG Aesthetics. What we got here is their copper chill block. It's a universal heat sink. Basically a nice flange they use to weld V-bands onto.